Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tactical Snowflake. I'm out here with my .22 long rifle. It's a Mossberg 802 Plinkster. It's bolt action operated, so hey, let's shoot it. Oh, I stepped in cow poop earlier. Ugh. Barefoot, yeah. See how there's no recoil? No. I feel like I have two more. Last one. Smells good. Whew. Awesome. Alright, so now I'm going to reload it. Safety is engaged. Disconnect the magazine. Put some rounds in here. Okay, so my first magazine with it didn't really go so well. Because I was shooting at targets that were too far away. I'm not used to these sights. Sights could be totally off for all I know. They are adjustable. But, you know, I've never had a firearm where I had to adjust sights, so that'll be educational, I guess. I think it's a pretty firearm. I like manipulating the bolt. It's just fun mechanically. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, 10. Bingo. Alright, slap this in. There's not a round in the chamber, although there's about to be. I just put one in there. I'll show you how it ejects them though. It's pretty neat. It does it with gusto. Yeah, so we'll just load this one back up in the magazine. And I'll let you watch it. Watch me slide it in there. Alright, see? Can you see the firing chamber? Alright. Pushing the bolt forward, locking it down. And it's hot to trot, or whatever. Okay, so, hey, you know, rifles, they're a lot of fun. And they're relatively inexpensive too, like seriously. You know, I know it's still a lot of money, but they could be a lot more expensive. I hope you're still into this, because I think it's pretty fun. So, yeah. Have a lovely day. Bye.